Binoculars under $100 have become a surprisingly capable category for casual observers who demand portability, versatility, and solid optics without breaking the bank. These models span compact pocket designs, ideal for travel and events, to small to mid-sized poro or roof prism setups that balance magnification, light transmission.
List number 1. Compact binoculars. Aflaro's compact foldable design emphasizes portability and accessibility for both adults and children. Weighing 0.63 ounces and with an 8x21mm configuration, these binocs prioritize lightness and travel convenience, supported by a 122 feet 1,000 yards field of view, BAK4 prisms, and an aluminum rubber shell for grip and weather resistance. The foldable form factor make them ideal for quick everyday use, slips into small bags, and family outings where weight matters more than extreme optical performance. In practice, the 8x magnification offers a broad view that's forgiving for beginners and kids, reducing fatigue during longer sessions. The 21mm eyepieces and adjustable center focus provide usable focus across a range of distances, though critical detail at longer distances is limited by the modest objective size and 8x magnification. The aluminum body with a rubberized finish adds durability and a non-slip feel, but this is a budget build, so expect modest light transmission in low light. The 24-hour after-sales.
List number 2. Poldar 12x25 Small Pocket Binoculars. Poldar's 12x25 pocket binoculars blend higher magnification with compact dimensions, making them a capable option for travel-fast viewing and casual birding. The 25mm objective promises a brighter image than smaller pocket models, aided by BAK4 prisms and an MG body, finished for a more premium feel at a budget price. Weighing in at 5.8 ounces, they're light enough for daily carry and come with a neck strap and carrying bag for convenience at events or on hikes. The 12x magnification provides more detail on distant subjects, but the smaller exit pupil and higher handshake sensitivity demand steadier hands or a stable stance. The center focus wheel and right eye diopter allow for individual eye tuning, which helps with alignment, though the high magnification can exaggerate small tremors. The reported field of view of 126 feet at 1,000 yards is competitive for a compact model, and the MG construction plus included accessories add practical value for festival goers and hikers alike.
Number 3. 20x52 binoculars for adults, high-powered. Disu's 20x52 binocs push toward higher power while maintaining a portable footprint with a 52mm objective. The 20x magnification enables intimate detail over longer distances, and a 168 feet per 1,000 yard field of view helps maintain situational awareness during wildlife watching or travel. Multi-layer coatings, BAK4 prism, and FMC lens aim to deliver bright, high-contrast imagery, with a 26mm eyepiece intended to align with ergonomic eye relief and reduce fatigue during extended sessions. With higher magnification comes the need for careful handling and support. The rubber-coated non-slip chassis improves grip in rough conditions, and the option to mount on a tripod, not included, is a strong plus for stationary viewing. However, at 2 pounds, these are among the heavier entries in this list, which can affect day-long hikes or cruise sightseeing. The binoculars are clearly built for birding and hunting scenarios where high detail matters, but the trade-offs include bulk and potential eye strain if not used with tripod support.
List number 4. 200x25 compact binoculars for adults. Flyant's 200x25 option positions itself as an ultra-compact, high-magnification pocket binocular for quick-glance viewing at events and travel occasions. The 25mm objective and 200x magnification is unusual in this price tier, delivering extreme close-range power in a tiny body. FMC coatings and BAK4 prism aim to maximize brightness and color fidelity, while IPX-rated waterproofing and a nitrogen-filled design claim fog resistance in varied weather conditions. A lightweight 6.4-ounce frame promises good portability for casual use. In practice,
200x magnification is a double-edged sword. It delivers impressive close-ups, but demands steadiness and proper alignment. The central focus wheel is described as sensitive and easy to operate, but without image stabilization, the user's ability to hold still becomes the limiting factor. The included strap and small form factor make them convenient for travel and events, yet performance at higher magnifications can be disappointing for users expecting reliable long-distance viewing without a tripod or monopod.
List number 5. High-powered 15 by 25 compact binoculars for adults. Leica's 15 by 25 compact binoculars aim to strike a balance between magnification and portability. The 15 times magnification with a 25mm objective and BAK4 prism plus FMC coatings promises good brightness while keeping the unit ultra-portable at 7.2 ounces. The IPX7 waterproof rating and nitrogen-filled lenses position these as versatile options for varied weather and travel scenarios, making them appealing for cruise and outdoor use where weather can be unpredictable. The 112 meters by 1,000 meter field of view helps maintain situational awareness during fast-moving viewing scenarios, such as stadiums or burning in open areas. Real-world use benefits from the diopter adjustment on the right eyepiece to tailor to individual vision, along with a compact form factor that fits into pockets or small bags. The trade-offs include a smaller entrance pupil and potential eye relief constraints for eyeglass wearers, plus the need for stable hand-holding at 15x to prevent tremor-induced blur, and the included accessories, strap, case, and microfiber cloth enhance practicality for travelers and casual observers alike.